More than 250 million active users every month, and 81% of them are women. A huge majority of Pinterest users are buyers who look on Pinterest for shopping inspiration. They are the people with the cash to spend. It gets even better. People who are on Pinterest look at a lot of products, and over 72% of Pinterest users say their buying decisions are influenced by Pinterest. Wow, that's just crazy, isn't it? It is a goldmine for any marketer, and it's still underexploited, not already milked to do the death by a horde of hungry marketers. So here's a question. Are you still trying to recruit your customers from the site that everyone else is trying to sell on? You may have a 5 times bigger audience, but you've got a 20 times bigger crowd of marketers, incessantly trying to sell to this crowd, driving up the cost of reaching your customer, making it more difficult and insanely costlier to reach people who matter. Don't be a part of the horde. Step out and claim your customers where the going isn't as tough. Claim your customers on Pinterest. There's no way any smart marketer can miss such a huge and rapidly growing opportunity to reach the people who are real buyers, not politics-oriented keyboard warriors. On Pinterest, there are no pointless debates and discussions. Nearly all of Pinterest is visual imagery centered around products. It's definitely the best platform right now to find people with buyer intent. And this is the best time to be there because it's still possible to get a ton of organic traffic from Pinterest. Yes, you can drive traffic without having to spend a truckload of cash on advertising. That's because competition on Pinterest is still not crazy, and unlike Facebook, all your posts do have organic reach. They haven't killed it. Get started with Pinterest today because that's where all the buyers are hanging out. So, does that mean you need to quit what you're doing today to get things going on Pinterest? You only have 24 hours in the day, and your hands are full with the work you already have. Can't blame you if you don't feel ready to start something new. Wait, what if we made things easier? What if we gave you a tool that makes Pinterest marketing super easy? Introducing Pinflux. This is the most powerful Pinterest marketing tool you've ever seen. It runs right on your desktop and lets you automate every single thing for Pinterest marketing. You can easily find fresh content, automatically pin, repin, schedule your posts, follow people, even unfollow people on full auto. From finding fresh content, getting it to your boards, to pulling in an audience, Pinflux does it all, and you can do this on multiple accounts and board. Pinterest marketing is now simple. Want to see what it can do? Let's dive into a quick demo. Here's the Pinflux interface. Just add your account, pull in all your boards, and you can then find content by keywords and pin it. Repin content from other people from the repin screen. Follow the relevant people and even unfollow them. You can also schedule your pins very easily. Done setting up? Just let it run in the background. Pinflux does everything while you're doing something else. Not just that, it keeps track of every activity and gives you a report that shows all that it was able to do. You can just look at the results and use them to calibrate your strategy. Want to see more? There's a detailed demo lower down the page, so check that out. Pinflux is powerful. By far the most powerful Pinterest marketing app. Show your business you care. Get Pinflux and start driving free organic traffic anywhere you want. You know your business can't afford to lose this opportunity. Don't wait for your competition to take over this platform too. Your investment in Pinflux is protected by our 100% refund guarantee. If you don't absolutely love Pinflux and don't feel that it's making a positive difference to your business, just tell our support desk within 30 days of purchase and we will refund all your money back without wasting any time. Yes, the risk is all ours and the benefits of Pinterest marketing all yours. Don't wait any longer. Click on the button below and get instant access to Pinflux right now.